Hi, I'm James Sexton, a divorce lawyer in New York City and author of If You're in My Office, It's Already Too Late, A Divorce Lawyer's Guide to Staying Together and How to Stay in Love, and the co-founder of TrustedPrenup.com. You might have met me before on the Steve Harvey Show, The View, Lex Friedman, Andrew Huberman's Lab, or any number of other media appearances that I've done. I always love talking about prenuptial agreements, marriage, and how to keep a relationship strong. So, why did a divorce lawyer with 25 years of experience helping dissolve marriages get involved in TrustedPrenup.com and help found it? Well, I really believe in the right of people to make the rules for their own relationship. You know, after years and years of helping dissolve unhappy marriages, I wanted to help couples stay out of court and help them stay engaged in the relationship that they both invested so much in. You know, every marriage has a prenup. It's either one written by the government or by the two people who chose each other out of the 8 billion other options. And I believe your relationship should have your rules, not rules that are made by a third party like the state legislature. So why does a prenup help a relationship? Well, it's less speculation, less to argue about. It's an invitation to have a discussion with each other about what's important and what's meaningful to both of you, and having that discussion at a time where there's an abundance of goodwill between the two of you. You know, a great way to think about a prenup is its relationship insurance. All marriages end. They either end in death or divorce. It's one of the only things you ever say, I hope it ends in death. Relationships require communication, sometimes about hard things, but sometimes having those hard conversations really brings people together. And that was the goal with TrustedPrenup.com. Couples with a prenuptial agreement are found to be 25% more likely to stay together. I can tell you, I've done a lot more divorces for people in 25 years of practice than I have for people that didn't have prenuptial agreements. So why get your prenup with Trusted Prenup? Why trust a website instead of a lawyer in a lawyer's office? Well, there's a lot of good reasons. First, you get all of the legal protections that you would get from the most experienced matrimonial attorney working directly for you, but with a fraction of the cost. You get law firm quality without big law prices. You also get a quick step-by-step process that gives you the ability to dig deep with informative videos, or to just have a cursory understanding of each of the pieces of your prenuptial agreement. You can be as detailed or as general as you want to be, because the idea is to keep you in control of the situation. You also can save your progress on TrustedPrenup.com and move at your own pace. You're never rushed, whereas an attorney might put you on a tight timeline or charge you in 6-minute increments like I normally do. Protecting your love is the smartest way to honor it, so why not get started? I'll see you inside.